Howdy folks, welcome to Wonder Eats. Today we are at the Food Harbour at Aeon Maluri. They're just recently refurbished. So let's have a look at this new renovated food court. As you can see, it's ample seating. And here, the very first stall is Taiwanese, followed by Penang food. Yes, you can get your usual char kway teow, prawn mee. Let's walk around here. There are many restaurants at the side here, like Johnny's, Steamboat, Rain Town Restaurant, and Teppanyaki. And on this side, you'll see a kebab stall right at the end there, the first one, then followed by ayam penyet, and then the chicken rice. It's about 1:55, so the crowd is dispersing. It's a prawn mee, nasi campur. Look at the variety of dishes. Followed by Thai and ikan bakar. Seems to be a popular stall. So here I have all the sets, 12 ringgit, starting from 12 ringgit. The Western fusion stall. There you go, need some spaghetti, chicken chop, place to go to. A hot plate, noodles, and last but not least, bebek, which is duck. They'll have chicken as well as an option. So at the center there, you'll see the dessert stall and the beverage stall right in the middle. So you just gotta line up right there. And I particularly love the architecture here. And this is the sink for you to wash your hands. Love the modern chic look to this whole place. And you can easily take a LRT here, which comes right into the mall from Maluri LRT station. Definitely be back here again, try different food. Alright, thanks for coming on with me on this journey to the new Aeon Maluri food court. Do subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Cheers!